morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. Last night we took an adventure with Chef Boyardee. His humble beginnings and his struggle to get his name out there. So last night I prepared Chef Boyardee's spaghetti. I've seen stuff on TV about him, and I read this great article, and what the article had his recipe for his spaghetti. It's a minimalist recipe for a sauce. It doesn't have garlic. A friend of mine pointed out it doesn't have oregano. It's minimalist. It's a short simmer. It's only like 45 minutes for a simmer. But it's actually very pleasant. It's good. If you want a very simple or very minimalist, I'm going to use that word again, minimalist spaghetti sauce, this is it. It's nice and thick. It's very, very good. Now, I did use crushed tomatoes, canned crushed. Now, the recipe says you can use canned, but they wanted you to use whole, peeled whole. But I used crushed tomatoes. I'm a big fan of it, of crushed. So try this one. There's really no notes other than the fact that I used crushed tomatoes. I stuck to the recipe basically 100%. No added this, no added that, no substitutions. Try it. Today is basically a day off for me from cooking. Tonight because Robin is coming over for dinner, we're doing Papa Murphy's pizza. It's not really a twist on Canadian or Hawaiian pizza, but it's my version. And I'll show you why in a second. All right, let's get to it. Speaking of a minimalist, all I need is my pizza peel. Yes, I use a double wall for my peel. I need a phone. I've got coupons, a can of crushed pineapple, and a pizza cutter. That's it. I like to add crushed pineapple onto this pizza. It's just, to me, it's better. It's just my personal preference. So that's it. That's tonight. Here are the blends I've been working on for the last several days. Actually, it's been weeks in the making, actually. A lot of research goes into these. This is a Szechuan chili powder, Thai spice blend, Malaysian meat curry powder, which I'll be using tomorrow night, Black Ricardo, which is a Central American blend, is actually going to be used next week. And I was having conversations, and I have had this one on the back burner for a while, a Cajun blackening seasoning. I actually finished it up. So these are the new blends that I have available. So yeah, my Friday, I got a vacuum since the cat moved back in my front room or my living room. It's got catnip everywhere. So I got a little bit of house cleaning I need to do before Robin comes for dinner tonight. Other than that, I have some stuff for shopping, and so trust me, just because I'm not cooking tonight, I have things to do. Things to do on the website. All right, so on this Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.